Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one other website. You can claim your Bitcoin from that website and you can earn much more from that website. Okay, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Okay, let's get started. This is the website. The website link will be found in description. Okay, let's get started. This website pay you earn up to $200 per every hour. Okay, this much Bitcoin this website pay already, this much gameplay of users, this is the registration of users. Okay, and this website is high payment website. This is very high payment. And first I show you the sign up. You can put your email and password and you can click register. You can register yourself. Okay, and it's very easy, nothing to do any other thing. Right now I log in myself. Just I go to free BTC. First one, you can claim your free BTC every 1 hour. This is very easy. This is the all captures you can found, and just click it, solve this little capture. Okay, solve it and you can earn one lottery ticket and 21 Satoshi. Okay, I earned 21 Satoshi. Okay, this one. And you can go to multiple your BTC. You can multiple your BTC. If you come here beating side, you can beat and you can multiple your BTC. Okay, and you can go to lottery. You can buy a lottery ticket and you can invest your BTC in here, and you can maybe you will be found at this all price. Okay, I buy 24 lottery ticket and total ticket is this much. This is the percentage of winning, my winning chance. And you can click earn more. You can earn more just investing in here. Okay, and if you want to refer other people, just go to referral link and you can refer other people to come join this website, and you can earn much more with the referral link. And other thing is the withdrawal. The withdrawal is the minimum withdrawal is okay, first load. Okay, this is the minimum withdrawal. Okay, and the transfer fees, this much fees will this will be the website get. Okay, you can if your BTC reaching this much amount, you can withdraw your amount. Okay, this website link in description you can found. And thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Bye bye.